Six-man tag team match that I think we've all been waiting for.
Well, I can't speak for everybody, Michael, but I can tell you that I look forward to this one ever since it was announced.
Certainly looks ready to go here tonight.
Oh, he definitely is, Michael. In fact, some of the superstars in the back were commenting earlier today about how focused he looks coming into this match.
And their partner from New York, weighing in at 223 pounds, Guile.
Plenty of action coming up as we have 6 of WWE's top names ready to go here.
Oh man, Michael, 6-man matches like this always remind me of world class back in the 1980s.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
This should be interesting, guys, as 6 of WWE's top names square off here.
Good luck to the referee, guys. When you put 6 competitors such as this in one match, things are bound to break down in a hurry.
Beautiful technique. Oof, what a stomp. Good grief. Oh, a flying forearm.
On the mark.
Oh, right to the body. That hurt. Boom, what impact.
Slammed with authority.
Oh, what a German suplex. Nailed it.
Harsh impact.
Oh, what an uppercut.
Beautiful technique.
You gotta believe this one's over. Big elbow.
Super kick.
Kevin Owens may be in a bad way here. Don't be surprised if he shrugs it off and comes back more motivated than ever.
When you put that much meat in the ring, somebody's going to get hurt. And unfortunately for him, he's the one on the receiving end of this inevitable beatdown.
The good news for him is that he doesn't appear to have taken too much offense up to this point, but that can obviously all change here.
Ooh, what impact.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
This might be it.
Oh my.
Suplex.
What a stomp. Good grief. When this guy's on, look out. Inverted Russian leg sweep.
Face first.
Drop kick with what impact. Can he finish the O'Reilly combo?
Can he end it here?
What an amazing six-man tag match. Well, tag team matches are one thing, but make it 3-on-3 and it's 3 times as good. Take a look. That was a big pinfall victory right there.
You know, it didn't happen often, but I can attest, being pinned is humiliating.
And folks, if you're just joining us, I'm sorry to tell you that you just missed one of the most exciting SmackDown matches in recent memory.